Okay, so if you spend any time on Instagram or LinkedIn, you already know that carousels are the format right now. Those swipeable multi-slide posts, they get the saves, they get the shares, they keep people on your post longer than anything else. But here's the problem. Making a good one is a pain. You've got to design every single slide, keep them all consistent, write the copy, line everything up. It takes forever. So today I'm going to show you how to make a viral worthy Instagram carousel with AI in just a few minutes using Runable, one of the best AI carousel makers out there. Let me show you how. There's a link in the description if you want to create your account and follow along. So let's jump in. Head to runnable.com, sign in, and on the home dashboard, open the artifact picker and select Design Carousels. Now, you've got two ways to start here, and both are great. You can begin from a template if you want a proven layout to build on, or you can go straight from a prompt and let the AI design the whole thing around your idea. And the real secret to a carousel that performs is structure. So describe it that way. Your first slide is the hook, the thing that stops the scroll. Your middle slides each deliver one clear point. And your last slide is the call to action. So you'd say something like, create a 7-slide Instagram carousel titled 5 Habits That Are Killing Your Productivity. Slide 1 is a bold hook. The next 5 each cover one habit with a short explanation. And the last slide tells people to follow for more tips. Clean modern design with a consistent color theme. See what that does? You've given it a real hook, a value-packed middle, and a clear ending. And Runable designs every slide to match, all consistent, all on brand, without you touching a design tool. And because carousels work across platforms, you can make them for Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter/X, all from the same place. Once it generates, you just review the slides and refine by talking to it. You can say, make the hook slide bolder, or shorten the text on slide 3, or change the whole color theme to match my brand, or add one more slide with a quick tip. Little tweaks like sharpening your hook or tightening your copy are exactly what push a carousel from okay to viral, and you can test them in seconds. And here's the bigger picture, because this is what makes Runable different from a single-purpose carousel app. The same tool that just made your carousel can also generate the caption to go with it, create matching images, even turn your idea into a short video. So your whole post, the carousel, the words, the visuals, comes together in one place instead of 5 different apps. When you're happy, you export your slides, ready to upload straight to your feed. So that's the whole thing. You pick design carousels, you start from a template or a prompt, you describe it with a strong hook and a clear structure, you refine the slides through conversation, and you export a scroll-stopping carousel in minutes. And that's it. That's how you make a viral Instagram carousel with AI using Runable. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.